Hello guys, today I will show you how to create different multi-screen layouts in Premiere Pro really easily with given project with installation included, which you can download for free. The link is in the description. Let's get started. When you download the files and you complete the installation, you need to go to the window, go to the extensions, and here is this multi-screen layouts. And don't forget that this extension works only from 2021 version or above. So here it is, and then you just choose what you want. You want 4 videos or pictures, or you want 8 pictures or videos with position or scale or fade. So I think I will pick 3, and I will pick scale, something like this, and you press 2 times and you see it appears no active sequence, so you can create new sequence, and you can create any format you like. I will create the simple one, and when you create the sequence, then you choose your layout and press 2 times. And as you see, everything appeared. You can close it and just a little bit edit. And when you press here, don't forget to go to the window and check essential graphics, and then when you press on this, you go to the essential graphics, and here it is, all those numbers where you can put your video or image. So I will quickly put those videos. So just you need to press here and replace from Explorer, and then when the folder opens, you choose your footage destination where it is and just import it to every number. So as you see, I done, and I hit the play, and everything works really good and really beautiful. And you can change the length of the video. Of course, you can change everything of it. You can put those borders, and you can change color of it. I will put the red one, so it looks like this. You can change also the roundness of the borders, something like this. And you can also change the scale of your video or your image. So here it is, and you can change. You can zoom in or zoom out, it's up to you. So everything what I showed, you just do the same on others layouts. As you see, everything works. So I think that's it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share with others, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. So see you soon.